Hey, Drew James here. Happy Christmas. Here's another simple, easy beginner's Christmas song. I've made a few of these now. There's Silent Night, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, Jingle Bells, all single little melodies. And they're songs that people are going to recognise when you play them at Christmas. So if you've just bought a guitar or you've just got a guitar for Christmas and you want to learn some Christmas songs, this is absolutely perfect for you. You can get the tab to this. Now the tab is called the guitar music. So it's basically something to make it easier to remember what we're doing. And you can get that for free at my website, which is called learnguitarinlondon.com. I've left a link in the video and a link in the video description. It just takes a name and email address to join and you'll find lots of Christmas tab there. Okay, so lots of simple beginners easy songs. So I'm going to break it down for you, show you the strings I'm playing, give you a nice close-up of my hands so that you can learn it and enjoy it for this Christmas. Okay, let's start learning it. Okay, so this song only uses 3 strings on the guitar, so it's nice and beginner friendly. It just uses the G, B and the E string. Now if you don't know the names of the strings, I have a silly rhyme. Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. E, A, D, G, B, E. And that just helps me remember them. I prefer using the notes rather than the numbered system because the notes ties a lot more in with music theory, which if you're going to be playing guitar for the rest of your life and be a lifetime musician, you are going to need to learn that one day. Okay, so I just think get started now while you're a beginner. It's not too much to learn. E, A, D, G, B, E. So we're starting on the B string with this song, and I like to use my ring finger on the 3rd fret. So this is fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. Whenever we fret a string, make sure we're in the middle of the fret and not pressing down really hard, just hard enough to sound the note. And make sure you're using the tip of the finger, even if it is hurting your tip a little bit. Okay, so a really important thing to note with this is if I'm on the 1st fret, I use my index finger. If I'm on the 2nd, I use my middle. If I'm on the 3rd, I use my ring. And if I'm on the 4th, I use my pinky. Now, as a beginner, you may find it hard to use your ring and your pinky finger. So I don't mind if you do need to move up and down the neck. But one day, it would be great if you could use the right fingers on the right frets, okay? But there is no rush for that, and these fingers are purely a guide. But if you've had a few hours of practice under your belt, start using this ring and pinky finger. So the beginning, 3rd fret on the B string with the ring finger. Do it twice, then 1st fret on the thinnest string. And you do that 3 times. So this is a good example if you see I'm getting my fingers ready, rather than going, if I went like this, I'd have to move very quickly and it's not very economical for the fingers. And that's really what we're looking for here. Whereas if we can keep these fingers stretched out, it's easier to play. Then 3rd fret on thinnest, twice. Then move that ring finger up to fret 6 and hit it 3 times. So 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6. Then back to 3, then 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 3 on thinnest, then 1 on thinnest, then little finger on 4 on the B string, and do that twice. Now if you find that difficult, by all means use your ring finger, but I really recommend not using your index finger and moving around. Otherwise you'd have to go. It's just so much movement and it's unnecessary. Okay, so that takes us up to bar 5 in the music if you're using my tab. I really hope you are. It makes it a lot easier to remember and learn. Then the ending, 3 on the B string, 1 on the E string, 3 on the G string. So you are going to have to change strings a little bit here. Then 3 on the B string. So let's just do that bar slowly. 3, 1, 3 on G, 3. Then to carry on, 1st fret on B, pinky on 4 on B, then 2nd fret on G, then 3rd fret on G, using ring finger. So let's do that really slowly. Okay, notice the fingers I'm using. If it's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, please copy that. It really will help you. So then, although I didn't do this in my performance at the beginning, we then repeat. Okay, and then after that we go into the part that I've called the chorus. So take your index finger, put it on fret 6. Okay, you've probably got 2 dots and it will be between those 2 dots. And then 6, then 8 with the ring finger, all on the thinner string. Then back to 6, then down to 5. So we're 6, 8, 6, 5. Then middle on 6. 6, 8, 6, 5, 6. Then down to 3. 3, 3. I'll do that again. 6, 8, 6, 5, 6, 3, 3. Then you repeat that. 6, 8, 6, 5, 6, 3. I'll do that slowly. Then up to fret 8 now with the index finger. 8, then 10 with the ring finger. 8, 10, 8, 7, 8, 8, 10, 8. Move index down to 7, then middle finger on 8. Then down to 5 and hit it 3 times. Then 5 again, and 5, 6. Then little finger on 8, or you could go, so it's 8, 6, 5, 3, 1 on thinner string, then 1 again. So let's do that slowly, and I'll count out the numbers as we go. 6, 8, 6, 5, 6, 3, 3. 6, 8, 6, 5, 6, 3. 8, 10, 8, 7, 8, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 8, 6, 5, 3, 1, 1. Then it's back to the beginning of the song. 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. 3, 3, 6, 6, 6. 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. 3, 1, 4, 4. 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4. 2, 3. And there you have it, a nice simple Santa Claus is Coming to Town on the acoustic guitar. I really hope you can play that for friends and family this Christmas. Keep on playing, have a great day.